Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we're going to be doing a sort of sequel to the last one of these we did, where we put Earth in the TRAPPIST-1 system and just saw if it would survive in any of the planet's orbits. But today we're going to be doing it with the Kepler 186 system instead. So this was actually suggested by one of you guys, so massive thanks for the idea, as I thought it'd be quite cool to test it out in a different exoplanet system. So we're going to see how Earth will survive or cope in the orbits of all of these planets. So this one obviously has one Earth-like world with Kepler 186f there, so maybe Earth will be able to survive in the orbit there, or not, maybe, who knows. So I'm pretty sure we can all work out what will happen to Earth closer to the star here. But yeah, we'll just see how it will cope in Universe Sandbox. So we're going to go ahead and go straight to the first object here. It looks like one of them is actually smoking up as well, by the looks of it. But yeah, we're just going to go ahead and place an Earth in at this planet. So we're just going to go ahead and put it in there, put it right inside it, delete the original. So Earth now should be orbiting the star itself. So we'll just go auto orbit, because that'll pretty much give it the same orbit. Right, so closest object to the star. I'm sure we're all going to work out what's going to happen here, but yeah, we'll just slow down time, click play, and we'll just watch and see what happens here. So we'll also disable client mode. So you can see already, it's actually Earth's actually smoking up itself, but you can see here, going all the way, it's even worse than what it did in TRAPPIST-1 here. I mean, look at it, this Earth's getting obliterated. When it was in TRAPPIST-1, it didn't smoke up like this. I mean, look at all this. That's all of the water evaporating and all that. The atmosphere has completely been wiped off as well. There's no atmosphere left. So, yeah, the red dwarf has completely annihilated its atmosphere, which is actually a point that someone brought up in the comments as well, that, yeah, the red dwarf, it would completely, like, get rid of the atmosphere on the planet just by the way the star works as well. So Universe Sandbox doesn't always show that sort of stuff, but it looks like it is this time around. It's completely obliterated the Earth's atmosphere there. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and leave that sizzling for now. But yeah, we'll move on to the next planet now. So this is planet C. And I'm sure we all get the same results of all of these. So what we will do, we'll just go ahead and place an Earth for all of the inner planets here. And then we'll let them all play for a bit. And then we'll go to the Earth-like planet itself. And we'll see if it can survive in that area. So we've got the second Earth. This one actually has water on it, so that could be quite interesting, but I'm not sure about that. So we'll go ahead and remove this one as well. Didn't even put the Earth down. There we go. Put it pretty much in its spot. Right, there we go. So then we'll go, right, there we go. So then we'll just have to auto orbit with these two. Yes, we've got B, C, D, and E now. And then F is obviously the one out here. So we'll go ahead and see how the Earth copes orbiting here. So click play, and then we'll see how it works. So the second object right now, we'll have to turn off client mode as well on this one. So we can already see, again, like the first planet, already going into the low hundreds here, almost at 300 already. So that's pretty much going to meet the same fate as the planet, or the Earth in planet B's area. What about planet, yeah, this will be planet D now. So how will the Earth cope in planet D's orbit? Okay, so as we can see again, probably going to get similar results. It's just going to smoke up eventually, and it's all going to be ruined. Yeah, you can see it's eroding, or not eroding, so you can see it's evaporating. Doesn't seem to be having as much impact as the other two. It's done it a lot slower this time, but still 190. That's going to get rid of all that water eventually. So again, Earth will not work there. What about the next orbit out? So we'll go ahead and disable client mode again. So this is in planet E's orbit. You can see one of the Earths is shooting loads of material this way. But you can see here, again, is it going to top out? Is it going to be below 100? Nope, it's going above 100. You can see areas are starting to get drier already here. I mean, you can see the Gulf of Mexico is almost completely dried up. Looks like Alaska there and Russia are now connected. See, yes, this is all completely gone now. Europe's all gone. It's all one place now. The Atlantic Ocean's all drying up. Pacific is still holding in there, but 129 degrees. Not really the Earth we know at all. So as you can see, it's taking a little longer, this one, to actually get rid of all the water. It looks like some of it may actually be staying. So yeah, this is still not really habitable Earth. I mean, there's hardly any water left. I mean, that would have killed an unbelievable amount of sea life there. So yeah, that doesn't really work. But the water has stayed on it. But now the one we're all looking for here. Will Earth work in Kepler 186f's orbit? Will it work here? So we're going to go ahead and remove that. Then click auto orbit on the Earth. We'll turn off client mode as well, like that. Right, now, there's a question is here. Will it work? Right, let's or only one way to find out. So we're going to click play. It's completely ran away from us. So where's it gone? Earth, why you got to do this? Right, so it's at 6 degrees right now. Okay, can it hold in? Can it hang on? So click play. And it's gone. No, it's frozen. It's freezing up. So yeah, looks like Earth will not work in the Kepler 186 system anywhere. It's either too hot or too cold. There is no zone or no orbit here where the Earth will actually survive. So it's actually too cold. Even though it's got it's 1 atmosphere of Earth mass there. I don't know why it's 0.991, but yeah, even with that, I'm pretty sure even if we buff it up to 1, it's still getting colder. So absolutely no hope for the Earth to survive in this system. Like, Earth has to have very specific requirements. What if we put it here, for instance? Oh no, that's just a rough estimate of what it would work. So let's go turn off planet mode. Still cooling down. Okay, so yeah, you've got to be very precise of where you put the Earth. Usually the Earth works where the green and the red zone touch on a star. So around this area. And yeah, look at that. So it's actually warming up now. So usually like the green-red area, that is the best spot to put the Earth around most stars with its atmosphere stats and all that. So that's where the Earth has to be. So this system has no planets at all in the area where Earth would actually work. So yeah, game over there. So yeah, to conclude with this video, Earth will not work anywhere in the Kepler 186 system at all. So yeah, there is that idea out of the way. So you'll see a massive thanks again to the guy who commented this. I can't remember who it was. So yeah, apologies for that. But yeah, just another interesting idea, I have to say, with it. Alright, I'm on the video there. I had to quickly turn that volume off. Yeah, it was the Animal Boy. Could Earth survive and then the orbits of the Kepler 186? So a massive thanks to them for sending this idea. And also, if you guys got any more ideas for what for where we could test the Earth with around other stars, I mean, there is some other Kepler, maybe Kepler 22b. I mean, we could try that. We could try a few of them in one episode if there's only a few objects around each star, or if you want me to like build a system and then test it in there. Like maybe I have to replicate a system because it's not in the game. I mean, I could try doing that. But yeah, if you've got any more system ideas where we could test the Earth, just let me know down below, and then I can hopefully get around to doing those next episode. But yeah, also guys, massive thanks for watching today's video, and also subscribe, leave a like, helps on the journey to 10,000 subscribers. Let's see if we can go for 40 likes on today's video, guys. And yeah, just a massive thanks in general for watching, and keep coming back every video. Just I really appreciate it that you guys keep coming back every video, and it's really cool. Just a huge thanks to you all for that. But yeah, that is everything, guys. So yeah, make sure you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.